Okay, so we have done y equals mx plus b when we have graphed lines. Okay, just to give you an example here. We yesterday did y is less than or greater than mx plus b. And in that case, we did a dotted line, right? Because we talked about how the points on that line were not actually a solution for this inequation. It was either the points down here, and we shaded, or it was a line and we shaded up above, okay, if it was greater than. Okay, so this is greater than, and this is less than. Okay, so today we are going to look at what if it's less than or greater, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to mx plus b. Okay, now in this case, we go back to, with this situation, well, those points, they could be equal to the line. And that means they could actually be on the line. They could be points on the line. So we are going to use a solid line. Okay, this is important. And you guys should probably write this down so that you don't forget this. Up here, we used a dotted line. All right. But for less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, meaning they look like this. These are going to be solid line, and then you are going to do the same as yesterday. Either shade down below because it's less than or equal to, or, and our line could go the other direction, but we are going to shade above because it's greater than or equal to, and we'll do some examples of that, okay? So let's take a look at an example. Let's see, let's do y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. Okay, let's say that that is our line. So we are going to have a graph. And we're going to first plot our y-intercept of positive 1. And then we are going to use our slope. And because it's, now watch on this, because some of you mix this up. A slope of 2 means we're going to go down 2 over 1. Okay, that negative means we have to go down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Okay, and because it's less than or equal to, we are going to draw a solid line because any point on this line could satisfy that equation. I'll prove it to you. Y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. If I chose my point here, the red point of 0, 1, and I plugged that in to my equation here. 1 is less than or equal to 0 plus 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1. Truth. Truth. Okay, so that line is solid. Now my second step, as we learned yesterday, is am I going to shade above or below? Well, my inequality says that y is less than or equal to the rest of the line. So where is y? Where are the values smaller? It's all down here. These are all the smaller numbers. So I am going to shade in this direction, okay? And if I'm not sure, I can pick a point, and I'm going to pick 0, 0 because it's easy, and I'm going to plug it into there. Does that work in here? If I plug 0, 0 into my inequality, is 0 less than or equal to 1? Sure is. Okay, so I know that I have shaded properly if I have shaded down here. Okay, so today on your homework, first of all, be sure to look at the sheet that I posted because I put different equations on there for you to use. And so be sure to look at that and copy them down onto your worksheet and then follow these steps. Now, 2 of them on your worksheet, 2 of them are less than or greater than. And so you're going to use a dotted line. And 2 of them are less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So you're going to use a solid line. You need to choose wisely. Do your work slowly and think about it. Okay? Happy graphing.